Hey everyone, I'm here today with a tutorial of how I do my like crimpy wavy hair that I've been wearing nonstop. I can't stop doing my hair like this. I love it so much. It's like my favorite way to style my hair lately. So I thought that I would show you guys how I do it because I have gotten a lot of requests on a tutorial. So I'm gonna take you along the journey. Realized I don't have a mirror. So I'm probably gonna be looking in my little computer here because I don't have a mirror and I need to see what I'm doing. So anyways, if you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Cassie. I hope you enjoy this video and you decide to stay a while by hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that notification bell, and let's get into the hair tutorial. Okay, so what I first like to do, I washed my hair the day before yesterday. Yesterday we weren't doing anything, so this is just what it looks like when it's blow dried. I do have extensions in. I have natural beaded row. If you're in the Reading area, my girl Julie is the best for it. I highly recommend it. She's the only one in Reading that I'm pretty sure that does it. Very similar to like the Habit hand tied. It's all like the hand tied extensions, and they are by far the most superior hair extension method ever. I love it. So I do have extensions in. I do tone my hair with a purple shampoo. I do not know what color my hair is. It's constantly changing depending on if I use purple shampoo or not. And my extensions are a blend of quite a few different colors. But my best recommendation would be take a photo into your hairstylist. They should be able to kind of figure out what colors they would need to do to achieve a similar look. But yeah, I don't have a hair color for you, but yeah, this is like my hair and my extensions. My hair, I like to wear my hair in this crimpy style, mainly because one, it's super cute and super easy, but two, you can see here like where my hair is. Let's see, no, I can't even find my own hair. Where my hair is, it's a little bit shorter. You can see it's right about there, and my extensions are quite a bit longer, but when it's all crimpy, it's a little less noticeable that my hair is quite a bit shorter. So what I like to do, since I washed my hair not last night but the night before, is take a little dry shampoo, whichever is your favorite. This is one of my favorites, but I think it's discontinued now, the Elizabeth and James Nirvana. So I just spritz it just kind of in the roots. I usually do my dry shampoo at night, but I also usually crimp my hair at night too, and it is 10:30 in the morning on a Sunday, so oh, this stuff just smells so good. So I like to do a little bit of dry shampoo just to start out, just to get my roots, you know, nice and volumized. And then because I have, if you don't have extensions, don't worry about this, but because I have these beaded rows, I try to section them off. I have a row down here and a row up here, so I go in between those rows. I have quite a bit of postpartum hair growth. Like, it's just insane, which is also another reason why I like this hairstyle, because it is a little bit more wild and poofy and less like sleek. So all of these baby hairs that are just doing this are a little less noticeable. Now you can use a heat protector if you want. When I blow dry my hair, I already have kind of a heat protectant in it, so in the spray that I use, so I don't usually use like another heat protectant, but you totally can. And then I just smoothing it out a little bit, brushing it out. And the reason I like to section it like this is so that, see, you can see where my shorter layers are. It'll kind of just melt it all together. The waver that I use, which I don't think this is available anymore. I could not find this anywhere online. I've had it for a few years, but I will link a very similar one that will do the exact same thing. This one's the Beauty Tools Pro. Don't know where I got it. I honestly can't find it anymore. So it looks like this. You want to make sure it's this big one, not a small crimper. Now, when I used to wave my hair, and I always hated how it looked, I would wave it like this, and it always did weird things, especially to like my top layer. So when I started pulling this out again to try to do it, I turned it this way, which I don't know technically which is the correct way, but this is how I do it. So you want to make sure that, see, it's this way, not this way. You want M's, you want a bird flying, not an upside down IUD. This is gonna be really interesting because everything's backwards in my monitor. So I go close to the root. Now the underneath, I will do a little bit more crimped. I'll hold it a little bit longer. When I do the upper layers, I will hold it less time. Just like that. This is gonna be really interesting. I cannot, let me get a mirror because this is just, I'm not this talented. And I take the next section and I like to make sure that I'm taking sections that are, you know, hair extension and my hair so I can really kind of crimp them together. Finn is like freaking out, but he like won't leave my room. He just wants to be hanging out with me, which I don't mind. He's chasing light. He's like obsessed with random bits of light. Okay, so see? And we're just gonna keep grabbing sections of hair. You can grab bigger sections, smaller sections. I kind of just grab whatever. I'm not really too particular on sections. Hi, Finny boy. Hi, Bubbas. And how do you guys like the setup back there? Is that a foam roller? Oh, I forgot to move my foam roller out of the back. I just kind of section out a piece, but I also have, see, extensions here too. So this is my hair and then I have extensions. So I'm gonna section it off and I'm gonna take my waver and I'm gonna get real close up to the root. I'm gonna hold this for a second because then it's gonna give me some good volume and then I'll do the other pieces. But if you hold at the root, obviously you get a bigger crimp, so it's going to give you a little bit more volume. So I do this back part straight back like this. You can see it's nice and crimped and it's gonna have some great volume. And I just feel for the pieces that were underneath and that are obviously not crimped yet. Come to my bangs, and what I like to do for that is I kind of hold them like this, a little bit out, and I'm gonna go crimp 1, 2, 3, crimp 1, 2, 3. I like this hairstyle because it makes me look a little bit more voluminous right there, which is nice. So I hold 1, 2, 3, and then go down pretty quickly after that. Okay, so I am gonna have to look back through the footage, but I went to go film an Instagram story to say, look, I filmed this hair tutorial, and I had lipstick all over the forefront teeth. So depending on how the clip looks, I think the first part I was fine. I think it was the last part that when I was doing this portion of my hair, that it kind of messed up. So I'll just kind of run you through what I did in case I delete that footage and I have to just, you know, go here. So I did this side just like I did that side. I grabbed this section of hair, 1, 2, 3, crimp, crimp down. Now, the products I talked about were this Way Texturizing Hairspray, and you can use a texturizing spray, a sea salt spray, no spray. A lot of times I don't spray anything in my hair. Actually, I just leave it like this. But if you want to add a little volume, you can do some texture spray. If I need like a little smoothing, because maybe it's a little humid, my hair's a little frizzy, you can do something like this. I really love this. I use this every time I get out of the shower. The Super Skinny Serum, you can use it on dry hair too. It smells amazing. And you just put a little bit on your hands and then you run it through your ends. But that's it. It's so simple. It's so easy. I love this hairstyle. I love that I can do it, you know, the morning after I wash my hair or the night after I wash my hair, and then I'm good for like 3, 4, 5 days without having to style it or do anything to it really. I just put it up in a ponytail at night. I can do so many different hairstyles. It adds a lot of texture to braids. It adds texture to top knots. If you want to do like a high ponytail, it looks super cute. If you want to do half up, half down, it's really cute. If you want to wear a hat, it's really cute with a hat. So I did show these 2 hats. I got these off Amazon and they just look super cute. You can do like cute little pigtails if you wanted to. I love it. So these are off Amazon. Really, really inexpensive. Less than 20 bucks, around the $20 mark. I also have it in black. I have it in quite a few colors. But it's just so cute. And yeah, so I'll make sure I link all these down below. Again, I have no clue where I got that waver. I can't find it online anymore, but the bedhead waver is very, very similar, if not exactly the same. So I'll link that one down below as well as the products that I mentioned in this video. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.